bum, bum. Hello, students. Fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, friends, families, uncles, aunties, grandfathers, grandmothers. Everyone helping each other. Welcome. Students, I want to show you my English key, my English tool that I use to help students to write and create sentences. Remember, this is for complete beginners. So for anyone that you know in your family that wants to learn, bring them, tell them to come here, bring them to my YouTube channel. I will do my best every day to help and to see you improve. So I want to explain these 5. We know that a sentence should have a subject and a verb. We know that the subject and the verb should be in agreement, called the subject-verb agreement. So if the subject is singular, the verb needs to be singular. For example, he, singular, but we have is and are, singular and plural. So we don't say he are, we say he is. We don't say I is, we say I am. I am, he is, you are. But we'll get there. That's the subject-verb agreement. Now inside here, students, I want you to write this in your book one time, please, and we will use this. We'll use this. This will become your new best friend when you're watching my English video channel. Guys, this is how I can help you. This is how I can help you help yourself. This is really, I know it looks confusing, but we will go through it. Over the next few days, I'll go through it slowly. We will build sentences using it, and we will work together. All right? Remember, this is just my experience that I'm sharing with you, and I'm very happy to do so. So, let's go. Rule number 1. Every sentence should have a subject and a verb. Rule number 2. Every subject and every verb should be in agreement. There's normally these 3 main ways that I want you to be careful of. It's the third person singular, he, she, it, name, which is verb plus s, es, ies. For example, he swim? No, he swims. It's our subject-verb agreement. Now, our noun and our marker. A noun is something that you can feel and touch and see, all right? That's a noun. A noun should always be with his friend or her friend, okay? A noun should always have a friend. Noun should always have a friend. Only time there's no friend is if there's a name. I don't say the Saudi Arabia. I don't say the Amy. I will just say Amy. I'll just say Saudi Arabia. Now, a marker, as I said, is a friend. These, I will go over them with you. If there's anyone more advanced watching, these are known as determiners, and we'll be going through them, students. So, he, subject, swim, verb. He swims, subject, verb agreement. Now, the gerund. The gerund here, we will get into it. The gerund is a noun that looks like a verb. It looks like a verb, but it's not. It's a noun. So here, swimming is your noun. Swimming and the verb is. So swimming is, and then what? So indicator, he does. So swimming is what he does. All right? Let's look here. In between your noun and your marker. You will see, I will help you. We will go over all of this many, many times. Today's your first, you're saying hello to this. That's all you're doing today. You can put an adjective in between your noun and your marker. The bag, the big bag, the new bag, the old bag. He swims in the big pool. So in between our marker and our noun, he swims in the big pool. Now, because you are lazy, because I am lazy, because we are all lazy, all right? It's just human. I want you, when you write sentences, to have two parts, two clauses, all right? Just to help you, even if it's just for the beginning, you need the practice. It will help. So he swims in the big pool, yes, but now we do it all again. Comma, conjunction, and in part 2 we do it again. So he, subject, verb, be, subject-verb agreement, is, and state he is happy. Students, I know it's a lot. Please just write this into your book one time. And yeah, I will be here again tomorrow, maybe later again now today. Have a wonderful day and best of luck. These 5 rules. So these 5 rules again. Every sentence should have a subject and a verb. Every subject and verb should be in agreement. Every sentence, what you write for me, should have a noun and a marker, so an object. In between your noun and your marker, you can put your adjective. And number 5, your sentence should have 2 parts, part 1 and a part 2, separated by a conjunction. All right, students, have a wonderful day, evening, wherever you are. And yeah, cheers.